you try again one day, you'll see. Your hands under my pillow, so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm faded on my knees. It's your touch that I need. I've ordered you today, everything like I want to take and see you from afar. If you stand around, it's only I would like. I pretend I was a glass and try to play.
Okay, so I'm not doing like the entire ball cap method just because it's a 4x4 and I'm really only putting this wig on for the week. So I don't really need it glued down too much. So I'm only gonna do right here because it's a 4x4 and that's the only thing that is pretty much going to be laid down. So yeah, I'm just trying to get this part to stick, and then we're going to tie the back and then start applying the wig. You guys saw that I dyed the wig. I think it came out fairly well. The color is like super pigmented, so I like it. So yeah, the color came out like super good and really pigmented, so I'm really happy with it. And I'm excited to see it like on and styled. So yeah, this little video is just gonna be me revamping my wig and installing it, because this is an old wig that I wore before. So next we're gonna take these razors. Always keep you some razors for your wigs. The razors are way better than scissors, so I highly recommend getting you some razors. But just be really careful because they are like really sharp. So what I'm basically doing, the whole point of me even laying it down, is to get rid of this really thick band right here, because it's just too thick and you can see through it through the wig. So we're just gonna get rid of that very carefully. Let's try not to cut ourselves here. So what I'm going to do before I continue to cut, just because it's going to unravel because the rest isn't glued down. So yeah, we're gonna cut the wig cap in the back so that it'll have these two little parts. And what I'm gonna do is twist it. What I'm gonna do is tie it. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna tie it in the back to make sure it's super secure and that everything like stays in place where I want it. So moving forward, I'm just going to go in and cut off all the excess. So what I'm gonna do next is place the wig on my head just so that we can get the measurements of what we need to glue right and make sure all the excess that we need is off. So you want to put the wig on just so you can see everything, see how it's looking. Okay, so looking at everything, it looks like we cut definitely enough because it's gonna lay like right here. So this is perfect. And it's gonna be a middle part just to keep it super simple. And I just feel like it could be cuter that way. So what I'm gonna do next, since everything looks good as far as the placement and the wig cap and everything, I'm going to start putting the glue right here. Since it is only a 4x4, we're only going to glue right here. That's it. So we're gonna do that with some Ghost Bond. I might use my Eben, but this made a mess last time, so I think I'm gonna go back to using my Ghost Bond. And then I'll probably use a little bit of this on my baby hairs. We gonna see, because that Eben spray made a huge mess last time on my hair, on my last install. Okay, so now we have this 4x4 area with some glue on it, and usually you would take like a popsicle stick or like a plastic knife or even the back of your comb, the tail part, and do this, but I'm just gonna use my fingers because I'm actually running late for work. So we not even gonna be all fancy with it. We not gonna be fancy with it. We gonna be lazy with it. And then what I'm trying to do right now is like literally make sure this part is even. Like I be thinking my parts be even, and then I see myself on like a video or something, and it makes me so mad when my part is not even. I get so upset. So we're gonna try to make sure this part is super even down the middle. And just hold that 4x4 on top of the glue. And then I don't have my comb with me. I don't know why, but I don't have my comb with me. So I'm gonna take the back of this razor, this part right here, and just make sure it's in the glue very well. So it definitely feels secure. Like it's not going nowhere, which is great. So next what we're gonna do is hot comb it. Hot comb the top, make sure it's laid and slayed always, period. Oh, the only thing I hate about like actual color too is that I'm gonna have to monitor my outfits during the week. Like I just feel like with colored hair, you shouldn't just throw on anything. Like you have to be like conscious of what you're wearing. This is just my opinion. But like I'm not gonna wear a purple dress with my hair like this. Like that's just, it don't look good. So I feel like when you do colored hair, you have to wear a lot of like blacks and whites and very like neutral colors, and just be kind of like mindful of what you put on your body and like wear, because the hair color, it just don't go. I got some got to be glued gel, and I always just take this for my baby hairs. Nothing else to me like works quite as well. So I did this wig already. The baby hairs were already done, but I actually have no idea like what shape they go in. So we're about to figure that out. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I kind of like am done with the baby hairs, kind of give up. I do that all the time. Like I'll do baby hairs, then I get frustrated, and then I give up, and then like a day or two later, then I'll fix them and they're perfect. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like for the time being. The only thing is this color from this hair is like bleaching on my skin. So you see like these tints of red. I'm gonna have to get like some alcohol and get it off. But the flat iron is heated up and we're gonna go ahead and style it. But first what I'm gonna do for my baby hairs is just spray it with this Wonder Lace Bond from Even. Ooh, I meant to do it way lighter than that, but I'm trying to do just like light spritzes so that the product buildup won't be too bad. But I'm just trying to like spray them down. I think they look decent for today. And start flat ironing the hair. The red part, I'm gonna do flips because I just really like flips with this hair. I always think it looks really cute with the two-tone hair. So what we're gonna do is leave out the red part for the time being and focus on the black part, just making it straight. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm like hating this. This is like literally a braid, so it's not as flat as I want it to be. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm about to flip the red part real quick, show y'all how I do that, because it's super simple. But we're gonna put some flips in it, make it cute, make it cute. Oh, I'm so hungry, I'm about to die. So hungry. All right, so I take it and then I like flip my hands. So I take it like this, flip. So you're going to put the hair in, and you're just going to flip it outward. I cannot explain this to save my life, but y'all see what I'm doing. Real nice and slow, and it gives you that flip effect. So yeah, that's pretty much all I do. I just do it like 2 or 3 times for just the red part. Some of the black gets in there, but that's totally fine. So I'm kind of just gonna comb it out and do it again. I don't know, this is giving me like Harley Quinn. Like I really like this experiment that I have done on myself. Like, I look so good. Okay, so yeah, it kind of looks like that. So this is the only wig that I've ever really done this method on. I haven't used this method with any of my other wigs. I just feel like it looks so good with this particular style. Yes, with the black and red. Who is she? I don't know. I don't know her. But I want to know her. I don't know if this was like a tutorial video. I usually never like label my videos tutorials because I don't be knowing what I be doing. So when I do my hair, I just decided to always record from now on in case it comes out good, and then I'll post it. But I can't really tell you exactly what to do because I don't be knowing. I'm not a hairstylist. So I'm just gonna turn this camera on and we gonna figure it out together. You know what I'm saying? So I had no idea that this was gonna turn out good, bad, I don't know. I just wanted to do it and I hope for the best. But I feel like it came out really good. This one not flipping. Okay, we're gonna go slower this time. Cause it gotta flip, like it has to be consistent.